Hi there, I'm Associate Prof Lum Kit-Wye, the Associate Dean for Undergrad Programmes. I teach in all 4 of our MBA programs. If I had to describe myself in a few words, I would say I'm basically a runaway lawyer. I ran from legal practice straight into the arms of academia, and I'm so glad that I did it. Outside of the university, I'm very actively engaged in mediation. I run mediation workshops. I also practice as a mediator with the Singapore Mediation Centre and with the Singapore State Courts. I like to read and write. I'm not very picky about the kind of books I read, so long as it's fiction and so long as the story has a good ending. That's very important, the good ending. I also like to draw. These days I'm trying to learn how to draw using my iPad instead of the traditional pencils and paints. I teach business law. I also teach negotiation and dispute resolution. Joining the university has allowed me to combine, on the one hand, the subjects that I really love, with, on the other hand, something I'm really passionate about, teaching. I find teaching the MBA programs really enjoyable because the participants have this wonderful combination of youthful energy together with savvy work experience. Our participant mix is also very exciting. We have participants who come from all over the world, kind of like a mini United Nations in the classroom. Participants get to make lasting friendships and form global networks that transcend nationalities and backgrounds. And for me, this cultural diversity is particularly important when I teach negotiation because it allows the participants to have hands-on experience of intercultural negotiation, which is of course a very common occurrence in today's world. And this is part of our NBS commitment to prepare our graduate students for the future of a world that is increasingly growing smaller. We have all suddenly been pushed into becoming comfortable with virtual interactions, where it makes no difference whether the person you're dealing with is in the same country as you or halfway across the world from you. But I think that in the end, all of us are more adaptable than we may realize. So if anyone out there needs a tech assistant to help you run your Zoom sessions, you can come find me. I have awesome breakout room skills.